In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Expedition 33 is not saving your game progress, so you don't lose your hard-earned progress. Method 1. Check storage permissions. Make sure the game has permission to access your device storage. On PC, check your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking the save files. Method 2. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or executable, then select Run as Administrator to ensure it has the proper access rights to save files. Method 3. Verify game files, Steam. If you're using Steam, open your library, right-click Expedition 33, select Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Method 4. Clear corrupt save data. Locate your save files, usually in Documents or App Data. Back them up, then delete the original files to let the game create fresh save data. Method 5. Update the game and system. Ensure both your game and operating system are fully updated, as patches often fix saving issues. Important notes. Back up your save files before deleting anything. Avoid using mods that might interfere with saving unless confirmed compatible. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more game fixes and tips.